Welcome to WB Fine Woodworking. I'm Don Bullock. Some of you may have noticed the tool wall here between the windows of my shop. You also probably noticed that the number of tools changes as time goes on. I'm still working on the tool holders. The first one I made was this one over here for the Thor's hammer. This is a mini Thor's hammer by King's Fine Woodworking. Today I'm going to show you how I made the tool holder for this tack hammer. This tack hammer may not look like much of a tool to you. For me, it represents a lot of memories. I made this hammer screwdriver in junior high metal shop. The school is now Patrick Henry Middle School, and the metal shop, unfortunately, has long since disappeared. The hammer head was cut from steel bar stock and tapped for the handle. Corresponding threads were cut at one end of rod stock for the handle. On the other end, I forged and filed a screwdriver tip. I've used this hammer over the years for numerous projects. By hanging it on my tool wall, I'll be reminded of making it and using it over the years. Searching through my scrap bins, I found a nice piece of walnut that will make a great backer piece for this hammer. I'll trim it on the table saw. With the backing piece cut to width, I'll look through my scraps to find the piece I want to hold the hammer. I found this piece of cherry I think will look great. I laid out some cuts to make the piece that the hammer will sit on. I'll make the cuts at the bandsaw. Those will work out fine. I'll need to use my rigid spindle sander to square them up. Off camera, I sanded down the two cherry pieces and used CA glue to put them in place. I gave the front of the holder several coats of spray lacquer. I use lacquer because it's just quick and easy, and it dries fast. I attached the French cleat with a couple of screws and gave the back a quick coat of lacquer. So that's how I made this tack hammer holder and the other holders on this wall. I know that this particular tack hammer will come in handy now that it's hanging on the wall, and it will be a constant reminder of those junior high shop classes I took so many years ago. If you like this video, remember to hit the thumbs up down below and leave any comments or ask questions if you wish. And please subscribe to this channel and watch the other videos that we have here. Thank you very much for watching.